Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through step-by-step process on how to install new NVIDIA drivers in Windows 11. First, open Google Chrome and go to NVIDIA websites by searching for NVIDIA driver download. Now, click on the first link and select your GPU model and Windows 11 as your operating system. Then, click search and select the latest driver available. After that, click on download and wait for the file to finish downloading. Once it's done, open the downloaded file and follow the installation steps. Next, select Express Installation to automatically install the driver, or choose Custom Installation if you want more control over the installation process. Then, wait for the installation to complete. If prompted, restart your PC to apply the changes. Now, you can also install drivers using GeForce Experience for a more streamlined process. First, download and install GeForce Experience from the NVIDIA website. Then, open it and log in with your NVIDIA account. Click on the Drivers tab, and if an update is available, click Download and choose Express Installations. Finally, to confirm the drivers are installed, right-click on your desktop and select NVIDIA Control Panel. Here, go to System Information to check if the new driver version is listed. If everything looks good, your NVIDIA drivers are successfully updated and your GPU should now perform better. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.